Hey Danny Gang, it's your girl Melissa Danielle. I'm coming back to do a second video for honeylove.com. If you don't know about Honeylove, they sell shapewear, and I mean all different kinds of shapewear, briefs, shorts, bodysuits. They sell bras, so they have a different variety of shapewear on the website. They did also provide you guys with a discount code. So my discount code is iluvMelissaDanielle, and it's all capital letters. So iluvMelissaDanielle. I'll put it here. It's also going to be down below in the description bar. So Honeylove sent me some new items to review for you guys, and of course all of my opinions are my own, so I'm going to be 100% honest with you with my opinions. So we're going to jump right into this video because I don't want it to be too long. If you're new to my channel, hello boo, click subscribe now, click on the notification bell so you get notifications when I put up new videos, and of course come back every time I upload a video and watch it because I love you guys. Okay, so we're going to jump right into this video, and everything will be linked down below in the description bar. So the first thing we have is this Shapewear V-neck bra, sort of like a t-shirt bra. You just pull it on over your head and it fits into place. So this one is no underwire. Thank you God. I hate underwire in my bras. It is padded in the cups. So it has just like a light padding in the cups, not that thick, heavy, pushing your breast out of your bra kind of thing, just a light padding. It also has two pieces of flexible boning on the side here. I love their little logo. It reminds me of a butterfly or a bee or something. So they have their logo on there as well. This is like one of those seamless bras. It's very thin but thick. How do you describe that? It's thin but thick material, and it's super duper stretchy. But it's like that suction kind of stretch where when you put it on, it sort of sucks you in and it grabs you. This also, because it's padded, it does give you a little bit of lift. And these are not adjustable straps. This, like I said, it's just like a t-shirt bra. So you just pull it on and you go. So this is what this looks like. It's very cute, comfortable, breathable. It does, like I said, it lifts you up and also offers you some support. So this is a very great, like, everyday kind of bra. And it also comes in different colors as well. So next we have the Shapewear Cami bodysuit. I'm going to be trying everything on for you guys. So this one is also padded. It's lightly padded. It has the flexible boning on the side, just where the bra section is at. And it's only one bone on each side. So it has one bone on each side. This one also has adjustable straps. And then I'm going to turn this inside out so you guys can see what I'm referring to when I show you the next part. Honeylove has their own, I want to call it their signature X when it comes to your shapewear, and this pretty much is like a hug. It's gonna grab you, hug you, and suck you in, keep all the bulges in place, you know what I mean? Like, it's just like a hug. So it has an X stitching on the outside. Sometimes when you go to their website, you'll see shapewear and the X is clearly visible, and I think that's just done so that you guys can see how it actually looks like. But then when you get it, it's all black, so that X is not so visible. But anyways, that's what this looks like. Like I said, it has a padded bra. So right where the cups end, there is a band here, just like on your bra. So that way it separates your breast from your stomach, so you have that line of demarcation. So that's what this one looks like. It's super duper stretchy, holds you in, and oh my God, you guys, it's so comfortable. Like, that's been my experience so far with their shapewear, is that it's really comfortable, and I can wear it all day, and it's like, I don't mind wearing this. And then I love too, I don't know if it's on their website or not, but this one like cups your booty and lifts it up. It doesn't dig into you. It doesn't cut off anything. It doesn't flatten your booty. It actually lifts your booty up, and it like has full coverage. So like sometimes you get shapewear and it just rides up and then it's cutting into your booty and it's giving you this strange what's going on back there kind of look. You don't get that with this shapewear. This one has the hook closure on the bottom, but this one is like the most comfortable one I've experienced so far, because it's just so like everyday kind of shapewear. Like, I wouldn't mind wearing this. Like, it's that kind of shapewear. So but I wanted to hop in real quick and let you guys know, so with my discount, not only do you get a discount on your purchase, but you also get free shipping on purchases over $75. So free shipping is bomb. So make sure you use my discount code, and if you do a purchase over $75, you get free shipping on it. Last one I want to show you is something I showed you guys in my previous video, and if you haven't seen that, I will link it at the end of this video. You'll see it on the screen. You can click on it and watch it. I also have it down below in the description bar in case you are on a mobile device, because you can't click on it if you're on a mobile device. So it'll be down below in the description bar as well. Anyways, so this one I featured in my last video. This is their silhouette bra. I have this in like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 different colors. It's that serious for me. So this is what it looks like. It's so, I love this. This right here, I love this pattern. Anyways, I have this one in the gray color today. Well, it's not gray. Hold a minute. Oh God, what color is this? So guys, it's called Moon Dust. How pretty is that? So this is the LiftWear silhouette bra in the color Moon Dust. It has adjustable straps, lightly padded, and the padding is removable on the inside of the cup. You'll see a little line right here, and you can go in there and remove that if you don't like it. It has 2 pieces of flexible boning on the side here, and as you guys can see, it does flex. And then like this little crisscross stitching, it's actually a very cute design aesthetic to push this part of your boob in, like your side boobs. Also that thin, thick material, I don't know what it's called, but it's like that. If you ever have purchased like the seamless underwear, you'll know what I mean. Like it's that thin, stretchy, thick quality material. That's all I can think of describing it. But it looks like this. It's very, very comfortable. I wear these things like every day. I don't care if I'm going to the store, if I'm going to go work out. I wear these things all the time. So that's what this one looks like. I have it in the color Vamp, which is black. I have like a maroon color. So then I also have it like in a color like this. It looks like this. This color is so bomb. It also has a stitching on it, but the stitching is the same color as the bra. That was so cute. And these are made of nylon and spandex. So they're really stretchy, comfortable, and they give you lift. So they have these little like delicates bags on their site as well to like wash your garments in, so that way the washer doesn't absolutely destroy your garments. And they're very good quality. I have like 3 or 4 of these too, and they come in different colors. They have a black, a brown, and this color. So they have different colors as well. So that's what this one looks like. So bells, that's it for this video. I hope that you found something that you like. I highly recommend this shapewear. Like I said in my last video, they have some of the best shapewear I've ever worn in my life. I love them. Like I said, go watch my last video. You'll see what I mean. But everything is going to be linked down below in the description bar. And I will also have my discount code down there as well, so you can save some money and get free shipping. So I love you guys so much. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, stay fierce and stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye.